Many people believe that eating anything at night slows metabolism, raises blood sugar, or turns straight into fat. But there's one powerful exception that works precisely because your body does not digest, absorb, or turn it into sugar. This is exactly why it can improve insulin resistance, calm inflammation, strengthen the immune system, improve digestion, stabilize energy, and support deep repair while you sleep. The substance I'm talking about is unmodified potato starch.
Also known as resistant starch, something most people have never even been taught how to use correctly. Resistant starch passes through your stomach and small intestine untouched. It does not spike blood sugar, nor does it raise insulin. Instead, it reaches the large intestine intact, where it feeds specific beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria are metabolically active, producing compounds that directly communicate with your immune system, liver, brain, hormones, and metabolism. The most important of these compounds is butyrate. Butyrate strengthens the gut lining, reducing inflammatory particles from leaking into the bloodstream. When the gut barrier improves, systemic inflammation drops, which often shows up as less joint stiffness, less arthritis pain, less muscle soreness, clearer thinking, improved mood, better digestion, reduced bloating, and more energy throughout the day. Butyrate also enhances how your cells respond to insulin, which is crucial. Insulin resistance is at the root of stubborn weight gain, fatigue, poor circulation, accelerated aging, and difficulty losing fat even when eating well. As insulin signaling improves, many people notice fewer cravings, especially at night. They also experience better appetite control, more stable blood sugar in the morning, and fewer energy crashes throughout the day. Timing matters. This is why nighttime use works so well. During sleep, your body naturally shifts into repair mode. Growth hormone rises, cortisol falls, insulin levels drop, and feeding gut bacteria during this window improves overnight metabolic signaling. That's why many people report deeper sleep, fewer nighttime awakenings, feeling more refreshed in the morning, and less grogginess. Improved bowel regularity and a calmer nervous system are also common benefits. There's also a powerful immune benefit. Nearly 70% of your immune system resides in your gut. When beneficial bacteria are fed properly, your immune regulation improves, leading to fewer exaggerated inflammatory responses, better resilience to stress, improved recovery, and a more balanced immune system overall. Here's a key point. Anyone can buy this at a regular grocery store. This isn't a supplement. You'll usually find it in the baking aisle, gluten-free section, or natural foods aisle. If you're ordering it online, simply search for unmodified potato starch. When checking the ingredients, it should say potato starch, only no potato flour, no modified starch, and no instant or pre-cooked versions. If it says flour or modified, put it back. This is why it's so inexpensive. Your body doesn't absorb it. A single bag can last for weeks or even months because you only need a small amount. People usually use potato starch for cooking, thickening sauces, baking, and crisping food. But when heated, it loses its resistant starch properties. For health purposes, it must be used cold and unmodified. Here's how to use it. Start with 1 teaspoon of unmodified potato starch. Mix it into cold water, never hot-tanned. Take it 1 to 2 hours before bed. More is not better. If you're sensitive or prone to bloating, start with half a teaspoon and gradually build up. Your gut bacteria needs time to adapt. What should you feel? Some people notice changes within days, such as less nighttime hunger, smoother digestion, more regular bowel movements, deeper sleep, and a calmer feeling throughout the body. Over 1 to 2 weeks, many people report reduced bloating, less inflammation, fewer cravings, more stable morning blood sugar, better energy, improved focus, and better recovery from chronic conditions. This is not a stimulant or a quick fix. It's a signal one that tells your gut bacteria to produce compounds that regulate inflammation throughout your body. It helps improve insulin sensitivity, supports immune balance, calms your nervous system, and promotes deep repair while you sleep. The most powerful changes in health often come not from what your body digests, but from what it listens to overnight.